Hey guys, welcome back to Cultivation with Christy. I'm Christy. I just got a delivery from Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. So my worm bin, I think I overcomplicated things, but I got some worms from Uncle Jim and some cornmeal, which Uncle Jim sells as food, but I'm pretty sure it's just cornmeal. Anyway, and I put some celery over here for them. I just got them, so we'll have to leave a light on, aka the sun, for a couple of days. And my neighbor's mowing their yard. But anyway, the worms are set up again. And I finished harvesting the last little bit of carrots the other day. You saw that. I harvested some more. Look at all this growth. I'm gonna do a garden tour, don't worry. Hopefully you can hear me over this lawnmower. But I harvested the back half of this bed, which was onion and garlic. There's still some onions that aren't quite done yet, so I did not harvest them. And then I have the something flower back here. This one. There's two of them that are doing okay back here. So I put my other worms in here. And then I might plant, I don't know, undecided. I was trying to think maybe I'll just do flowers in this bed, because this half of the bed's about to be empty too, so I'll have a bed and a half. So maybe I'll put something from over here that isn't doing well. Maybe some flowers or something. I don't have very many flowers in the garden. But anyway, while it is semi-cloudy and dinner is on the stove, I'm gonna harvest these potatoes. Okay, well that's like 3 or 4 plants, I think. Some of these were on the top. They were getting green, but I got ants in there. I kept getting bit. Ow. But all of that was just from right here on the edge. I still have the rest of that to do. I'm gonna figure out what to do about these ants, and I'll harvest the rest. But good to know that they weren't in there rotting. There was only one bad one, and that may have been the seed potato. Now, I'm not going to make the same mistake as last year, so I'm going to put them to cure in a cool, dark place, not touching each other. because if you put them in a place with sunlight, they turn green and then you don't eat them. So let's not do that, because I spent the whole time planting them not to not eat them. Don't make no sense. Anyway. Alright, our potatoes are tucked away for a little while. I also need to put away the rest of these onions that I harvested earlier. And now I'm gonna go get in the shower while dinner finishes up. Thanks for hanging out and doing some quick chores with me, guys. Until next time.